In this tutorial, we will learn how to use Canva to build a resume. In building a resume in Canva, there are three options. The first option is to build from scratch. So if you have an idea of how to design a resume, you can go ahead and build from scratch in Canva. The second option is to customize a template. Now, Canva has hundreds of templates that you can customize from. So you scroll through to find a template that suits what you want and then customize it. It is the easier option. And the last, which is the easiest option, is to use an AI. And this last option is what we will be exploring in this tutorial. So to find our app, as always, you have to go to your apps. The app we'll be using to build this resume. Go to apps to look for it. So this resume is for a US designer junior level position. So we'll search for the app. The app is called Jobs and Resume AI. Click on it. My network is a little bit slow. All right, so here it is, Jara. Click on it to open it up. All right, so there are two prompts AI will be requiring from you. It is assumed that before you get to this place, you already have your resume, a draft of your resume or an old resume you already created, and you want AI to help you with a tailored suggestion. So you should have it. You don't need a full resume. You just give AI. AI needs to know about you, to help it give you a suggestion that match what you're applying for. So you just give AI that information here. You input the prompt here. There's a sample of what AI wants from you: your name, your experiences. That is just what AI needs. Your name, it doesn't have to be perfect. If it were perfect, you won't be here anyway. So AI just wants your name, the experience you've had, and then if you have a summary or skills and an experience like I mentioned earlier, you include them there. The second prompt is the job description. Now you already have this job in mind, that is this job offer, and then the employee, your prospective employee, has the job description already laid out. So you just need to copy it and paste it here so that AI would give you a tailored suggestion. Now, for this tutorial, I already have this information somewhere, so I'll just go ahead and copy and paste them. So here, pasted. Once I have these prompts in, I'll just generate the tailored suggestion. All right, here it is. So here is the tailored suggestions AI provided. The summary, the skills, the experiences. So these are the suggestions. It even gave us a cover letter. Can you imagine that? So I'll copy the cover letter first and then go ahead to copy all of these other suggestions, and then we'll start off the design process. Successfully copied all the suggestions from AI into my canvas. So the first one is the cover letter. The second one is we have the summary, my skill sets, my experiences, and the last one is okay, I think it's also part of the experience. That's my intent position. So that's the last one. So what we will have to do now is to customize. So to customize, I have the first thing I will do is I'll go to elements to pick an element, a rectangle. All right, I'll pick my square shape. Move this up. I need to zoom in so I can see what I'm doing clearly. Out. I think it should be. I'll stretch it out to a position that I think I like. All right, so this will be black. Then enter my text. Blessing. Mirror. Change the text to white, the text color to white. Position it. Is this what we're designing is just a simple resume. We already have the detail we need, which AI already generated. So UX, UI, UX designer. I need to left align this. Okay. So the next thing we will do is to add the other elements that we will need. I need to segment this so that I can have about me, experiences, and education in different section of the page. Let me stretch this out. I need it to fill this place so that I think it's better now. So the next thing I will have to do, what I need to do is to add a line. Like I said earlier, we will need to segment this to different sessions. Pick a line. We'll have to move this up. Resize this. Let's push this down. So let me push this down. All right. Pick another text element so I can enter the about. About me. Take it up. Need to resize this. Reduce the size of the font. My skill sets, between my skill set and my experience, which should come first? I think my skill should come first. So I'll duplicate this line, move it down. Duplicate the about me so I can enter another title, skills. Then duplicate. Okay, we do not need another line. I'll just resize this and move it to the left. and resize this too. It should be left aligned, not center aligned. So I've changed the alignment to left align. Okay, take it up. Duplicate this scale so I can enter my experience. All right. My experience should have the name of the company that or the project I worked on. In this case, as the projects that I worked on, I'll include the projects that I worked on. So I'll just copy from where I have it. I'll reduce the size to 14. So this is the first project. I'll duplicate it for the second project. Okay, so we have a experience done. Move this to here so that it will all be well aligned. I should have my email somewhere here. My email, my contact detail somewhere here. Pick a test to enter my email. I'll duplicate this. Enter my phone number 0812345678 9. Then I'll duplicate this for my address. 123 Anywhere Street, Umahia. Okay. So I need to add my icons. So I'll go to Elements. I need 3 icons. The first one is email icon. I'll pick this one and resize. Phone icon or phone call. I'll take this and resize. Location. I'll click this. Okay, so this is, I need to change this to capital letter. Now it's in the uppercase. I think I prefer it this way. All right, so the next thing I want us to do is we need to find a way, a place to enter our educational information, our educational background. So what I need to do is I need to resize this or move some of these elements to the side. So that we can have enough space for our educational background info. So this is okay. Move this scale up. Duplicate this line. And duplicate this. Education. I'll copy my education info and then paste it. I think that's the last thing we will do for this design. So let me just duplicate this so I can easily paste. All right, so this is our resume in one page. There's so much I can do for this. I can add some colors. I can different customization, but this video is longer than I envisaged, so I'll have to stop this here. And then so this is it, and this is our cover letter, which is too long for my liking. I like my letters to be brief, but this is okay. So this is what I'll have to delete this page. I don't need it. So this is our cover letter. So give it a try and see what you come up with.